What's up, guys? Nathan Waitinas at Thayer Honda in Bowling Green. Do my pre-owned pick of the week, showing you this beautiful 2013 Honda Civic LX. Let's take a look at this thing because we've just marked it down $1,000. Great deal. Let's take a look at the details. All right, guys, so let's take a look at this beautiful local trade-in. So this is a 2013 Civic LX. It's got the 1.8 liter inline 4-cylinder. Really great gas mileage. Just made it to Honda's 5-speed compact automatic. Really nice local trade-in. This urban titanium really doesn't show the dirt too bad as well, so that's one of the reasons why I love this color. Let's take a look in the trunk. Now this one's got a really nice setup. They've got the nice trunk tray set up on here, give you extra protection, nice rubberized material all the way across, easy access to the spare tire and everything you need to change underneath of here. And you can lay down the seats as well. Give this lever a pull right there. Push this forward, and you'll have even more access to all the storage compartments in the back here. Let's close it down. Backup camera, of course, 3 different view modes. Now we did do some work to this vehicle, so we do have some new brakes on the front and the back. They also did fluid service. That's recommended about every 30,000 miles or so. Just drain or fill. So let's take a look inside. Like I said, guys, really good gas mileage on this thing. So 39 on the highway, 28 in the city. Said we had it 11,990 originally, and we've marked it down. Take a look in the back. This thing is very clean. A lot of these Civics get some real use out of them. Hardly a single stain on these seats. Really clean in here. No funky smells or anything either. And like I said, they do have the all-season mats here in the back as well. This nice rubberized material is great. Real easy, you can just spray it down with the hose to keep it nice and clean. And really love the setup that you've got inside of here. So such good visibility in this generation Civic. This 9th generation. And you've got your Econ mode button here to boost your fuel mileage. Like I said, guys, these all-season mats really do a lot to keep the car protected long term. Seat adjustment. Raise the seat, lower the seat. And you got the bar in the middle right there to pull yourself forward or back. So let's get this thing started up. Starts up nice and easy. And that AC blows nice and cold. All right, guys, so this one does still have a CD player, but don't you fret, we do still have a USB. So as you can see right down there, you can plug it in. You want to play your music through there. Do have Bluetooth audio as well. And of course, backup camera. So nice clear backup camera there. Really interesting setup they've got over here. So if you look at the speedometer, it is all digital right there as well. And you've got your fuel gauge over there, and this little indicator is going to show you what kind of gas mileage you're getting. Now you'll see these got these blue bars right across there, and the whole thing's kind of lit up with blue. That's because we're not driving the most efficient, but once we kind of get cruising a little bit, you'll see it kind of changes color to green as you're driving more efficiently. Just kind of a quick indicator letting you know what kind of fuel mileage you're getting. Analog tachometer, of course, and you do have all the real easy to use hands-free controls for your phone calls and whatnot as well. Of course, cruise control standard. Well, we're already kind of driving, guys, so how about we take this thing out for a spin real quick. Well, it drives like a Civic should. Very smooth. no kind of hesitation to accelerate up to highway speeds. But you know, I mean, they kept it really simple. You've got such good visibility in here. What more could you ask for? Ooh, look at all the geese. Okay. I know, distracted by the geese. These geese know where to get a good car. I don't know if you guys were ever wondering, but this is how I do these videos. I look really cool, don't I? Can't take yourself too seriously. So, and we're back. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you or someone that you know might be in the market for a vehicle like this, please give us a call at Thayer Honda at 419-354-2222. You can also drop a comment below or message us directly on Facebook. Thank you so much and have a wonderful rest of your week. We'll see you in the next one.